Right, it's just an interview for my new job. So they've asked if I can do a little video, just being honest about what I do every day, because it will help me get the job.
Yes.
Is that all right?
Yeah.
Hi, and thank you for this job opportunity. As you requested, you wanted one of my children to be in it. So this is Phoenix. Say hello, Phoenix.
Hi, everybody.
As you've asked for what I do every day, I thought I'd start by saying every single day I normally wake up about 3 o'clock in the morning, have a bath for about 20 minutes, and then I normally go for about a 3-mile run before the children wake up. After the 3-mile run, I then like to cycle. I normally cycle for approximately about 2 hours before then the children wake up. And I then shower the children in the mornings before they go to school. I then come downstairs and cook them waffles, pancakes, beans on toast and sausages for breakfast before school. I then often do the school run on my own.